got another Katy, Texas winter storm, but this time, I remember a couple years ago, I made one freshman year. On first year of college, we got a snow again. I remember the last time it snowed was back in, sophomore in college, high school. I'll take you around. We're gonna do some donuts. I mean, not donuts, like wheel spins, revs. Those brakes gotta get fixed. I just woke up.
Oh shit, look at the ice. Oh no.
No, actually, I turned back.
It's fine. It's spinning. This is sick.
No, there's nobody out here. There, go back.
It's fine.
I'm wondering if you can see more. Oh. Oh, break.
I'm sliding.
I can get out. Okie dokie, can do some. This guy. What? Oh shit! I'm going back. He's stuck. Let's get out of here. We're stuck. There's too much ice. I'm literally pushing this. The ice.
Some of the rentals walked. I'm sideways. Oh shit.
Whoa.
I know, don't be scared, jeez.
God, it smells now. I'm wearing my keeper gloves. It's too cold. Stuck. Get a 4-wheel drive. Let's go. We're making snowmans. If y'all can see. Let's go. Right here. Say what's up to the vlog! So, making a snowman. My man's tripping out. I got another video rolling up. That one coming out soon. It's about the BMW. I might put this in the BMW video. It might go up tomorrow or whenever the Wi-Fi gets back on. So I'll let y'all niggas know.
Where'd you get that? That's mine.
They used to be. We'll be at a gay party tonight. Are you gonna let it get closed?
No, I'm okay. So,
Oh, okay.
this is convenient.
Yeah.
I can just freehand it.
That here. Thanks for the snowman.
You need a shovel under it.
I like that hat.
Thanks, bro. I got one that was like 8. I just don't have any other hats. Get that shovel on that side. Get the shovel on that side.
Gavin, give me it. Oops. Around, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah.
Get on this. You ready?
Oh,
Gone through a little bit.
no. Nice.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Shake it a little bit more.
My man's complete. What's his name?
I don't know. You don't have a name. I was messing around.
He looks like a mob boss, so. Fat Tony.
Yeah,
Kidding.
Tony. Alright, let me get my